Hello, learning machines. Welcome to this video. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Here we are on one of the most infamous websites on the planet. Now, this website can make you $3 grand per day, and it can make you a lot more than that because you can advertise on placements right here. This is an ad right here. You can't see it. I'm blurring out it most likely for YouTube purposes. And the thing is, guys, like this platform is the biggest platform in the world. If I were to show you guys, I don't know if I'm going to still have it blurred or not. But anyway, this is called SimilarWeb, and they get 2.3 billion freaking viewers per month, and that is a lot of viewers. Okay, this is the 14th biggest website in the entire United States, and in the entire world, it's 13. Okay, biggest. Now, this site is insane, and you can advertise on it with a site called Traffic Junkie. Now, this is for demonstration purposes. I have a whole other account where I spend thousands per day on. Okay, for Traffic Junkie. I don't want to blur out my campaigns and everything every single time because I show this website a lot. Okay, now building campaigns is the easy part. Finding good offers and building good funnels and making things highly convert. Now that is the key. Okay, persuasion is first, and then marketing is so easy. You just literally get in front of people and you start split testing campaigns and your ads and all these things, and then you have a winner. Okay, now that's how it works, but the offer comes first. Okay, so we'll talk about that for sure. We are only 8 days into the month. Okay, this is crack revenue, and it's got tons of offers. Okay, this video is filmed 8 days into this month, and that's $18,000 right there with paid traffic methods, mainly Traffic Junkie and a little bit of Click. I do quite a bit of pop under too, but the thing is, I do this adult advertising outside of just crack revenue. Okay, I promote my own offers, not offers that you see here from this personal brand, but like offers that are digital products inside of really high converting sales funnels with upsells and everything. Okay, called tripwire funnels. It's very powerful. You could spend a lot to acquire your conversions, and you need to do that with cold traffic. It's very important. Now, another update to give you guys real quick about this channel is I want to grow this channel a lot. I definitely am focused on it on the side, big time though. I'm putting a lot of focus into this channel quite a bit, and I'm not even going to run ads to it. I want to grow organically. Okay, so I need to basically make 500 videos onto this channel you're watching right now to then run paid ads to it to grow the Learning Machine family. Okay. This channel is going to be primarily adult for a while, and I will continue to do adult then after, but I'll have a bunch of other topics on this channel that are very, very powerful. I'm going to keep everything in one place. I will eventually change the name of the channel to be my name, Benjamin Fairborn, and that's just kind of the update, okay? So anyway, if you want to crush it with PornHub and Traffic Junkie and make $3 grand per day, first off, that would be, you got to know the numbers. So if you want to be making a 6x ROI, that's $500 into ads, and you make three grand back. If you want to make 3x ROI, then that's going to be $1 grand a day in ads, and then $3 grand back. Okay. Now there are ways to make way more money back, and crack revenue is really good with this. Okay. You can basically in every site, every single one of your links, it's already turned on and everything. You earn money from back button redirects, and you earn money also from pop unders. Okay, people just get pop unders naturally, and they sell the traffic. Crack revenue does. Okay, it's really powerful. Some offers you want to promote on Traffic Junkie, just that's here right now. There's a bunch of other networks, guys. You don't have to do adult marketing at all. You just can take advantage of the cheapest traffic in the entire world with no restrictions. Okay, and you could direct link. Now, direct link works a lot. Okay, these landing pages, they're optimized very, very well. But if you do a pre-sale lander and it converts higher, then do that. Okay, and I have pre-sale landers I built for you guys in the Done For You service. People are loving it. It's crazy. Okay, and then the other thing is what offer here. We're going to talk just about what offer here is the best offer. Okay, just for Traffic Junkie. Now, all these can work, but there's something you got to know is very saturated offers like these top offers, for example, right here being showcased. They are promoted the crap load out of. So the best way to do it is free traffic. This will work with paid traffic right here. This will work with paid traffic in a way. Like it's kind of saturated, kind of not. I believe this one works really well. Any gaming offer in general can work really well. Pill offers can work really well if you want to stay into the adult niche. But if you want to branch out and do a mainstream offer like the wealth niche from ClickBank or Digistore and promote one of these make money offers, they work really good because everyone wants to make more money. Okay. Even I want to make more money. Even you want to make more money. Even a nun wants to make more money. Okay. And even like the love niche, the relationship niche, that's what this is, and it works. Sorry, my nose is so itchy. And the thing is, the health niche works too. Okay, so there's those three niches. Now you can also do drop shipping with adult marketing. You guys can absolutely crush it. It's extremely powerful. E-commerce is huge. Okay, it's probably bigger than any other freaking way of making money. Okay, in a lot of ways, but the barrier to entry is pretty high. Because you have to do a lot of fulfillment. You have to deal with profit margins that are kind of slim, but the conversion rates can be a lot higher. And if you create a no-brainer, irresistible offer, guys, like that's crazy. Okay, like if you create an irresistible offer with a digital product or several, or even ebooks connected to a physical product as a bundle, you all of a sudden have more increased value. I wouldn't necessarily recommend combining a bunch of physical products together, though. Okay, that can increase the cost, but in some ways that can also work. It's just they got to have an option of one or the other. Okay, they got to have an option of either the bundle or the one-off product. Okay, because some people just want the one product, and so you got to give people the option. Now that's very advanced. No one's going to tell you that in e-commerce. Sometimes your e-commerce upsells should be a more like better, faster shipping, or even more quality shipping, stuff like that, even though it may not or may be. Okay, that's just more money. Okay, it doesn't need to be high price. It can be $5 to $9. But anyway, my point is, here's how you do it. So if you want to advertise on this infamous website, there's a lot here of websites. You basically add a creative real quick for demonstration purposes. I already have a creative for this account. Okay, boom. Now you do desktop. Now you do 300 by 250. Okay, and desktop because you want to sell something, and desktop break of traffic works best with selling stuff. Mobile traffic's good for awareness or collecting leads. Don't forget this. If it's gay traffic, do gay traffic. If it's straight traffic, do straight traffic. Okay, I stay away from the gay traffic personally. But this is a cool feature they have now, is male versus female. So you can basically do a female offer, okay? Whether it be for brand awareness or for selling something direct response, okay? That's really powerful to understand the difference of, guys. Here we are, United States, and you add it. You're all set there. Then you skip everything else. Boom, 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 boom. Position, you can select whichever one you want, but you could do all. And then just create it, okay? Most times you do want to do desktop, though. Okay, if you want to sell something, it converts better. It converts better than most. Here we are. Let's see. Alrighty. Load, my friend. Load. That's weird. I don't know why it's taking forever. Okay. So now you'd want to get a link. Okay. HTTPS, I think it's // and then, okay, so there's your link, www. Okay, let me make sure that's right. All right, HTTP, yep, did it backwards, my bad. I knew it looked weird. I knew it looked a little weird. Okay, here we are. So, you're going to want to select your creatives. It's super easy. I recommend have, like, freaking 3 to 5 images to split test. But if you want to do any more, you're going to need a higher budget, and most times it doesn't make a significant difference. You just want to know out of a few ads which one does the best. And then you want to know what placements are doing the best for you, of course. So is PornHub the best one for you, or all these other different sites you're going to be advertising on? Which one's the best? You got to know how to look at your data, okay? Now you set your bid. You set your bid at $20 if you want, or if the offer pays $60, just do $60. See if you get 2 conversions or more, and you're starting to flip cash quick. Okay, you're starting to make more money back than what you're spending. That's the key. That's the whole key here. I mean, with paid ads in general. If you guys want to learn free traffic methods, go check out other videos. But anyway, you click confirm campaign, you're all set. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching Learning Machines. And if you want to learn free methods, go check them out. And if you want to have a whole entire done for you campaign that's guaranteed profitable no matter what, then check that out down in the link in the description. Super powerful. If you want to get even better methods and strategies from me, check out the links in the description, bro. And we'll see you guys later.